Want to access your Windows desktop in another room inside your home. Instead of walking there, you can remotely access it from your Android phone or tablet. But first, you need to enable Remote Desktop on that computer. To begin, open Windows Settings, then go to System. On the Systems tab, search for Remote Desktop Settings. Click on that. Toggle on the switch for Remote Desktop. Please remember the username and password of this PC because you'll need them to log into this PC remotely from your Android device. If you use the Microsoft account to create a Windows user account, then the username and password would be your Microsoft account, email, and password. Now, to access this PC, we need to know its local IP address. For that, open the command prompt. Type ipconfig and hit enter. Note down the IP version for address. Once you have set up the remote desktop, you can access it from your Android phone or tablet. I'll show you how to do that on my tablet. You just need to install Microsoft's Remote Desktop app from Play Store. Open the Remote Desktop app. Choose PC connection. Type in the remote desktop IP address. Then tap on Add a User Account and enter the Windows user account details of the remote desktop. In the friendly name field, you can enter an easy-to-remember name for the remote PC. Hit Save after this tap on this card to start a remote desktop session. Once you have access, you can work on your PC directly from your Android device. From the top, you can enable the on-screen keyboard and the mouse cursor. But for a better user experience, I would suggest you attach a physical mouse or keyboard to an Android device using an OTG adapter. Guys, controlling a PC from a mobile device is definitely not a user-friendly experience, and you would not want to spend hours working on your PC from a mobile device like this. But it is definitely useful at important times when you need it.